On the Nintendo Switch 2, you can play games from the Nintendo Switch 1 and 2. If you have the physical copy, you can simply insert it right here, and the game should appear right there. Then you can simply select it and play it. Or, if we return to the home screen, you can also visit here the virtual game cards. Select it, and then from here you should have access to your library of all the games you own. You can select it here and load to this console, and this will download the game here on your home screen, and once it will be done to download, you'll be able to play it. If you want to play another game, you can also visit the Nintendo eShop to shop some game. From here, in a moment, you'll be able to buy a game and then download it. So I hope this was helpful.